The Cuisinart Griddler gets a sleek, contemporary look and innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler 5. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler 5 cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler 5 features an adjustable floating cover, stay-cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible, removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning fast results. All of the features you love with a simple modern design. The Cuisinart Griddler 5 is the ultimate addition to your countertop.
Zojirushi's Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle is a versatile kitchen countertop appliance that lets you prepare delicious foods for any meal of the day. The extra-large cooking surface accommodates pancakes, eggs, and sausage for that perfect hearty breakfast, or burgers, steaks, even stir-fry for a satisfying dinner. The removable temperature control plug is easy to use and clicks when inserted correctly. The Sizzler has variable heat settings from 176 to 425 degrees, allowing you to cook foods to perfection and keep them warm. The heating component was designed for even heat distribution, with no hot or cool spots on the surface, so all foods will be cooked evenly. And what sets this griddle apart from others is this convenient lid, which not only helps with even cooking, but cuts down on cooking time and allows you to make delicious steamed foods such as vegetables or dumplings. Zojirushi prides itself on making quality products that are made for everyday use. The ceramic cooking plate has a titanium-enhanced nonstick coating, which, along with the diamond patterned surface, makes the unit both durable and easy to clean. All parts disassemble for cleaning, and the body guard and cooking plate can be immersed in water. Zojirushi products are made with safety in mind. The unit has a low-profile design, and the cooking plate sits inside the body guard to protect against scalding. In addition, the griddle will not heat up unless all parts have been properly installed. The unit can be easily transported because the handles are heat resistant. For extra convenience, a stainless steel spatula is included. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
It mostly gives us a nice flavor, all right? And we could take our mixture. Now, some folks like to put this in a bowl and get it, form it in a ball and shape it in a ball, where like here, for example, you could put some in a bowl like this, pack it down, turn it over on the griddle, take your spatula and just press it flat. There we go, all right? Or you could free ball it if you want. Just put it, take your spoon, place it on the griddle in a little pile, take your spatula, and then press it flat. Here, let's put a little bit, let's do one more this way. And you know, you can make them big, you can make them small. I'm going to tell you something that I like to do. Here, let's get another one in there. And you can start to see what I'm talking about with the potatoes by being shredded fairly thin. Because we want that shredded fairly thin because it helps with the cooking time. Oh, look at you. Look what you did. We have room for one more. Let's put that one right in the middle. All right. See, this is going to get nice and crispy. That's what we want. What we're looking for here is that potato is going to crisp up, the inside is going to stay nice and moist, and our temperature will maintain so we don't have to worry about adjusting it. The Control Master heat control regulates the temperature automatically. And the smell of this is why I said, if you put this in the refrigerator, get everything done, get everything ready, put these on at the end, and if you want to make them ahead of time, once you make them, you can put them in a pan, keep them in a low oven to keep them warm, okay? But I tell you, it's a great way to get the family involved. The potato, as you see, goes right into the bowl. And the griddle has a large cooking area with a non-stick surface. And what that means, things won't stick when it cooks, and also it's easy cleanup. Plus, it's handy to make enough for the entire family. It's versatile for cooking the entire meal right on your griddle. Plus, the cooking surface adjusts. Now here's what's nice by having our cooking surface that tilts. We can make eggs, pancakes, sandwiches laying flat, but then we could go ahead and put meats on like bacon and burgers and chops, have our cooking surface tilt. That way the fat runs off and our meat stays nice and crisp. Once you clean this, you fold in those legs and the drip tray will get locked in place. Then on its side, I just store it right into the cabinet. I think our potato pancakes are ready to flip. Crispy, that's what that is. When you see brown like that, that's what you say, crispy. Now, when you think of pancakes, of course, everybody thinks breakfast. A potato pancake, of course, this is very similar to a hash brown, so you could serve this in the morning, but what I like to do with these potato pancakes, I like to serve them at dinner time. You know, a nice salad, put this potato pancake next to it, and now you could use those same toppings that you would on a baked potato. Sour cream, a little bit of chives, a little cheddar cheese. And if you want, you could actually put cheese in this recipe. Personally, once it cooks, I like to a little fresh cheese right on the top. Just grate it right on the top, right on the plate. You hear that? That sounds like they are ready. So here, we're just gonna put them on a paper towel, just for that little bit of oil. But as you can see, there is not much oil at all.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle. Don't let the size fool you. It's a powerhouse that does it all. Do you feel like grilling up some burgers, steaks, or shrimp? You got it. How about a griddle for making pancakes and eggs? Easy. But what about steak and eggs? No problem. The 3-in-1 comes with 2 reversible nonstick plates. Each plate has a side with ridges for grilling, and the other side is flat and smooth for when you need a griddle. There are 2 separate temperature controls so you can grill meats on one side and cook pancakes and eggs on the other. The grease channel is in the center with a removable tray for easy cleanup. The tray and the 2 grids are dishwasher safe. Now that's good thinking.